guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyjee, but everyone calls me Nyjee, so you already know you can call me Nyjee. I'm so excited to do this very editorial glossy look, so let's get into it. So all in all, this look is really easy to do. It really is nothing to it, but I'm just gonna go in with an eyeshadow base first and then a concealer that's closer to my color, just so the gloss doesn't pick up on like a white cast or anything. And then I'm gonna go in with the ultimate, the auntie of YouTube, Miss Jackie's palette. So excited to be using this palette. It's one of my favorite palettes and I do so many looks with it, so I'm so excited to be using it. I'm gonna pick up the shade Ginger, and this is really the only color I'm gonna be using from this palette, but it's so versatile, so I'm essentially going to pack it on my eyelid and then blend it out the edges and then go back, put more on my eyelid and then blend out the edges. And I don't know, just this buildup of product and shadow on this look really worked in my favor, just because it gave that really butterscotch like look, y'all. Like it's so cute and so easy, and a lot of the colors in Jackie's palette, in my opinion, you can just pop one on and go. Like I just love how versatile this palette is. And next, I'm just going to go in with a brown eyeliner just because I thought it would really intensify my brown eyes. So it's a really cool trick for people who have brown eyes. Brown eyeliner is your best friend. So because the look is glossy, to me it made sense to do a matte face just because, I don't know, it sounded good at the time. So I'm going to be trying something I've seen a lot, and I'm going to be using Calamine Lotion on my face. I didn't break out from it. I'm not one to use Milk of Magnesia on my face. You will never see that on my channel. But the Calamine Lotion essentially gave me like a protective barrier. It's kind of like a thicker primer, and I didn't have to use as much foundation as I normally did. But I really kind of liked how you just have to press your foundation in, and the Calamine Lotion just took over. Like you don't have to use as much product, and when you put it down, bitch, it stays. It's not moving, budging, or anything. Okay, I really enjoyed using Calamine Lotion. I don't think I'll use it for every look, but I think for looks that I want to look kind of matte or kind of dried down, I would definitely use that. And because I have dry skin, I'm still going to use some kind of like mist just to hydrate my skin in particular. But yeah, I just went through and did my base makeup, and I didn't put the gloss on automatically just because I didn't know if it was going to run or going to stick or anything like that. So I just did my whole base first, and then we're going to do the eyes. But I noticed with this look, my base looked so much different, and I do think it's because I use so many cream products. It's such a look. Like if you are into cream products, or you have cream products and you've just been letting them sit, pull them out, okay? Because I don't know, they give a different look, bitch. So now we're going to go to the eyes. I'm going to use good old Ruby Kisses lip oil. Because it's unscented, I really wasn't feeling putting scented lip gloss on my eyes. But I took like a painter brush, just like a fine detail brush. But I didn't want to use like a hairbrush because I didn't know if it was going to stick to the hairs. And like I'd have like little fiber hairs on my eye. But I just took little dabs of the lip gloss and added it to my eye. And y'all, it is a look. I am obsessed with it. And it doesn't stick and it doesn't crease. Like, I don't know if you've used any other lip gloss before, but this lip gloss was the truth, okay? It's really nice. I really enjoyed this lip gloss as an eyeshadow. Then I realized when I put a brown lip on, it was giving me very 90s, which, you know, is cool. It's cute. You know, I dig it. But I did want to see what it looked like with a glossy lip. So I did a glossy lip as well. And that was giving it for me. Okay, that was really for me. Okay, so I did the glossy lip and it was giving me very editorial. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Kind of easy, you know, but also cute for the holidays, you know. Your turkey gonna look glazed, and why shouldn't you as well? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.